Hi, it's Jeff Ryder with Keller Williams bringing you a brand new listing at 1949 Flintlock Terrace West in Briargate. Now this one's kind of personal to me and special because I rehabbed it with my partners, Craig and Tori Dillon with 550 Fast Home Buyers. When we first saw it, we knew it had a lot of potential, but wow, there was a lot of deferred maintenance. It had a lot of things that needed to be upgraded because most of it was original 1978. What we fell in love with is the location. It is close to everything. This 3-bedroom home is near Briargate Boulevard and Chapel Hills Road. It's in a quiet neighborhood that is one of the original neighborhoods in Briargate. It's close to shopping, restaurants, and inside the District 20 school system. From the sunroom and back patio, there are nice views of Pikes Peak. This home is hitting the market this week at $374,000. I'm going to show you some pretty cool before and after photos, so let's go inside and take a look. As you enter the home, you'll notice a nice long main level that leads to the sunroom and the backyard. From the hallway, you can go to the 2-car garage, downstairs to the cozy family room, or upstairs, and that's where we'll start. As we head upstairs, I want to introduce you to my partner, Tori, who was my partner on this project, to tell us a little bit about your thoughts when you first saw this upper level.
When I first walked in, you couldn't even see the kitchen. It was blocked by the walls and the pantry. There was just a small access to the dining room, and I knew the walls needed to come down to just open up the kitchen to the rest of the living space.
Oh, it made a huge difference, absolutely. I mean, a family can feel like they're part of the family, right? When they're in the kitchen, they can see the rest of the house. So as far as this kitchen goes, tell me what your thought was on the materials and the design and the layout.
Well, because it was kind of tucked back in here, I thought the brighter that we could go, the better, allowing the light to kind of bounce off all the light colors and just keep it nice and open in the main level.
Also on this level are newly refinished hardwood floors and new windows for lots of natural light. Down the hallway are 2 good-sized bedrooms with new carpet and newer windows and a bathroom. So Tori, tell me a little bit about the upgrades that were made in the bathrooms.
So we went ahead and did tile surrounds as well as a light colored tile on the floors to keep it bright and open. In the main bathroom on the upper level, we increased the vanity size, allowing more counter space. And in the lower bathroom, we opened it up and changed it around a little bit for better flow.
Now the downstairs area was, let's just say, interesting. The floor plan was a little awkward in that there was a really nice cozy family room over here, but in order to get to the bathroom, you had to walk through a bedroom, which nobody wants, right? So Tori and her crew came through and knocked out a bunch of walls and reorganized everything down here. Tori, tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, the walls that we took down were really not needed. We opened up this space and were able to create the walkway to the bathroom, as well as adding an actual office because the bedroom was too large, so we were able to create a bedroom and an office with the space there.
Well, thanks for joining me for the tour of this home at 1949 Flintlock Terrace in Briargate. This is a great opportunity to own a home in Briargate for less than $400,000. So if you'd like a private tour, give me a call at 719-593-SOLD or shoot me an email, jeffryder@kw.com. Have a great day.